Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, we actually have this weatherproof Sonos Beam Gen 1 and a weatherproof Sonos One Gen 2. And we're actually inside today for this video because it's a little hot out, and plus we don't have an outdoor TV set up out there right now with a beam because the neighbors are so close. So we have the beam inside here, and we have a 65-inch Samsung Q70, and we're actually going to set up this Sonos One in the rear over there in the back of the room and use it as one rear speaker with the Sonos Beam, and we're gonna see what kind of sound we get, so let's get it. Okay, so we're gonna put it right about here. Just gonna plug it into the wall here because it's all you need is power and Wi-Fi for these things. They're wireless, so that's one of the benefits of having a Sonos system, especially the Sonos One, the Sonos Beam. So that's where we have it here. We have the one Sonos One right here, right behind the couch here. And over here we have the Sonos Beam Gen 1. And yeah, we're gonna fire up the TV and see what kind of sound we get. Show you how the volume is this high so far right now. It's like almost halfway, so let's turn it on. Turn up a little more too, like that. I'll get up in a little bit too, walk around the room. Yes. And real quick, you can see we have a Dolby Digital 5.1, even though we're using two speakers.
No longer matters, because this is the world's first object-based cinematic audio, with powerful moving audio that transcends for channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy.
That's pretty cool.
Or captures the full extent.
You want to know my secret?
Of nature's fury.
Damn. Sounds pretty good.
Remember this? It's just the beginning of Dolby Vision. Because what you thought was black isn't. This is black. This is contrast that reveals details deeper than any image you've seen on screen. This is luminance that means the difference between white and pure energy. Energy that is about to reveal an entire universe of color. You've never experienced in a cinema.
Wow. I'll turn it down a little bit. Probably end right here. So anyways, guys, as you can see, it sounds, I don't know, the camera probably doesn't do a good job picking up the audio in this room, as you know, your ears would hear it in real life. But let me tell you, this thing, it sounds good with just this one speaker over here, just the one Sonos One and the Sonos Beam Gen 1. Sounds pretty good, but I'll probably will get a couple more SLs or something for indoor use. But if you guys are looking for outdoor use, that's what we specialize in, is we sell weatherproof Sonos Beams and weatherproof Sonos Ones and weatherproof TVs. So if you need any of that for your backyard, for your high-end backyard, you want to have that stadium sound, hit us up. Go to our website. My name's Aaron. I'm one of the owners. We're called allweathertvs.com, and we'll see you in the next video.